Show me. Let me see. Don't you want to show me your outfit and show you the guys your outfit? Hi guys. Okay. Today, Matthew has on whoa, his kindy backpack, his Connie's, and his furry doggy sleep suit. Doggy sleep suit. Is that your new doggy sleep suit? Yeah? And your kindy backpack? Okay. Nana made Mussy some bland cake. She actually made so much stuff. Oh my god. Okay, please hold. Say please. Please. Yummy. Say thank you. Did you say thank you, Nana, for my cake? Good boy. Good one. So Mum made those cakes. She made this rhubarb cake. She made my grandmother's fish cakes, a quiche and some soup. And she bought this for you. What's that? Is that something that you and Nana do? I don't know what that is. It's a little container. Container? What is it? Is that something you and Nana do together? Okay. Oh, what do you do? Oh, crackers. Does she give them to you in a little container? That's cute. Good boy. So today is a mini. This is so small. It's a mini egg white wrap, like barely, with a little bit of avo, and that's it. Mussie's having egg white omelette chips, and that is us. Finished. No more food. Someone is opening their postage.
Vinny, we got you something. Yeah?
No, we didn't.
Vinny loves presents. Like,
I don't take presents, but if someone surprised me, I think.
You don't take presents?
Oh yeah, I haven't surprised you for 4 years. Maybe one day. Our box are made of boxing. Wow. Wow.
You wanted your own order. Nice polo.
Nice polo.
Show the vlog.
Bit too big for me.
Large.
Because you know I am.
Because you're the jackhammer. That's so nice. That is such a nice polo, actually. Vinny's already jealous.
Vinny, which one would you like?
Swati goes, I only seen Will in white t-shirts.
I'm going to take a photo for Swati and send it to her.
Can you try that one on? Can you just try it on? Can I get on the vlog? Alright guys. He's gonna get naked. Oh. Can I leave this on the vlog? Do you feel just like... Okay. It's so nice. It's just not daggy, you know? Yeah, you look massive. That is so nice. What a nice cut. Oh. You have a tag in your eye? Oh, so good. You could wear the white one. Nice.
This you gotta have a nice body for it.
Yeah.
Because it folds on you, it hides you. And if you've got a gut, then you...
Can you try it on then? Spencer, look at the finish though.
Oh wow, you went all out.
Yeah. I got 2 of each.
Are they
Spencer.
long or are they short?
Well, that's why you got to try them on. That's such a nice finish. I think that's
Can I try it on at home?
yeah.
Thank you very much.
You didn't want that many? You didn't have any. Yuck. Nobody likes the vlog. They always want, look, see, you can see yourself.
I can't really.
Because it's sunny. There's a, there's Trina.
Is this a video? Are you taping?
Yes.
Filming.
These are my oldest school friends ever. This is Mel.
Hi.
This is her little girl, Mia. Say hi, Mimi. Hi, Mia. Look at her OOTD. Should we do an OOTD?
Oh, look,
Melissa. Oh, give it to Mia. Mussy, no throwing. Give it to Mia. Let's do an OOTD with Mia. Can you just at least tell me what she's wearing? Hey, Trina. Hey, Trina. Your baby's running away.
Oh, no.
She's about, let's just tell me what she's wearing. Okay, what are these? Okay, these are little witchery sandals. No, they're witchery.
No, they're not.
It's got the W.
But they're not witchery.
Okay, cheese.
They're walnut, I think they're
Okay,
called.
walnut shoes, little. Oh no, Mimi, these are so cute. They look like they'd be from like H&M or something. Where's this little ensemble?
Riley and crew.
Riley and crew, little romper and nappy cover. Isn't that right, Mia? Do you want to tell the vlog anything today? Okay. Is it toilet time? So Katrina and Melissa are my oldest school friends. Katrina is racing after Mussy because he's the typical boy. And we've just come to the park for a play. Look how good Trina is with our kids. We will hire you as entertainment, Trina.
1, 2. Oh!
Oh no!
Good job!
Oh my god, guys. Okay, Mussy is down. Hubby is down. I've just done a complete... I swear I just take everything, like I just clear every surface of like the house or the kitchen. I just want to clear everything. I'm just start fresh, I feel like. I just put that vlog up and I know it was brutal. Yesterday wasn't good. I'm not saying today's much better. But yeah, sometimes, you know, YouTubers just want to vent as well or let you guys know how we're feeling. We put ourselves out there and you guys watch, and I get that. But at the same time, we always have to, you know, zip our lip or not start anything or not be confrontational or blah, 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 blah. And sometimes it's just like, you know what? Fuck. F that. You know, especially my type of personality, like, there's just sometimes that I'm not feeling it. Okay, hi guys. I just wanted to stop in and say bye on the vlog. Mussy's woken up from his nap quite late, but with a really sore tummy. So I'm gonna have to stop vlogging for a few days because I really need to concentrate on him. It's just a stomach bug we found out from the doctor. It's not a virus or anything, but I just really need to get this kid better. So I will see you maybe in a couple of days. I'll come back and start vlogging again. Thanks guys, bye.